Long ago, when the gods still walked freely among mortals, the radiant goddess Aphrodite ruled over love, beauty, and longing. Wherever she stepped, flowers bloomed and hearts awakened. But even the goddess of love was not untouched by sorrow. One day, where each tear touched the ground, a small, resilient tree began to grow. These were the first trees of Boswellia sacra. Humans later called this precious resin frankincense.